distinguished guests, visiting institutions. I've seen RVTTI and lessors, staff and students, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. On behalf of the University of Eldoret Council, University Management, staff and students, I'm pleased to invite you all to our 4th Innovation Week and public lecture. Much gratitude goes to our staff, students, partners, and institutions that have made this day possible. The University of Eldoret takes pride in what we have achieved through viable collaborations and capacity building with our external partners. Notable cases of our partnership and capacity building has enhanced the exchange and dissemination of knowledge and technology, and this can be seen in the various activities within our university calendar. It's just last week when we had our 11th graduation. We've had agribusiness, we've had boot camp. All this aimed at advancing the needed capacity in agriculture, research, and innovation. This 4th Innovation Week comes at a time where innovative trends and know-how is needed. An age where small startups and entrepreneurships are embraced the most. As I walked around, I've seen wonderful innovations, ideas just that need to go through all the stages, and I'm sure Kenya will never be the same again. And I'm proud of the youth who are so dedicated to improve the lives of the livelihoods through innovations. Each team has explained to me how their innovation is going to improve the livelihoods. I'm pleased to note that this year's innovations span from agricultural fields, housing to industry, and manufacturing. I'm quite impressed by the enthusiasm of our young people that are showcasing the innovations, more so the 2 institutions that have joined us. Indeed, the upcoming 5th Industrial Revolution will be taken up by those who want to seize opportunities to solve societal problems within the existing gaps in the areas of agriculture, health, information technology, and housing issues at community level as emphasized by the government. Globally, it is evident that collaborations and partnerships are an important mechanism for technology access and uptake. I'm happy to note that various partners that visited our university during this year's Innovation Week are willing to work with us in order to exploit our innovative ideas. Yesterday, as you have been told, we hosted the Deputy Governor of Nandi County, Her Excellency Dr. Yulita Mitei. And members, I can tell you, life can be very, very interesting. Dr. Yulita Mitei was just a simple lecturer in this institution when I came in. And I'm glad that I nurtured her, and now I can call her Her Excellency. And we have so many others that this institution has nurtured. Can we clap for ourselves wherever we are? We also hosted representatives from Absa Bank, Kenya Seed Company, the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce, EldoHub, and UK Innovate, who showed positive intention of advancing viable partnerships with us in order to exploit our innovations to sustain livelihoods. We look forward to working with all the partners and stakeholders to create new avenues for impacting our society. Indeed, as a university, we know the way forward is through private-public partnerships. Collaborative networks will enable us to strengthen strategic partnerships in order to advocate the uptake of research outputs and fast-track the process of technology transfer and commercialization. I believe the success of any organization depends on its ability to sustain itself and remain relevant by fostering innovations. Innovation is a continuous process and a function of leadership. It requires one to navigate uncharted territories in order to continuously reinvent themselves during these difficult times. There was a time somebody challenged me and even told me, even me, the VC, I'm an innovation. And I was surprised. I knew I am Teresa Akenga, but leadership is very important. Innovative leadership is very important, and all of us can witness that. We as a university need to embark on ambitious strategies in order to leave a dynamic and strong legacy, in order to develop an innovative culture. At the moment, I'm being challenged. What culture have I cultivated in this institution? I so far have not answered that question, but I'm sure I'll get answers from you. We need a plan that is focused on delivering a university that is sustainable and innovative with a strong research base. With this, I appreciate our researchers, the young researchers, the professors who are leading them step by step. Please do not tire to mentor the young people. In one way or another, you'll create an impact in the society. And this will ensure that our institution is well positioned to approach the next decade and beyond with confidence and be competitively advantaged while continuing to be relevant to our society. In February next year, we'll be celebrating our 10th birthday. University of Eldoret is 10 years old. We need to go into the next decade with proper innovations, with proper grounding. It is therefore extremely important that as a university, we endeavor to be part of a sustainable future by constantly engaging in innovating approaches in our respective disciplines, continuously working together with others for the betterment of our society. As I walked around, I saw the silkworm and I almost ran away. I have a phobia for silkworm, but you can see the researchers don't have that. So let us use each of our strength to build this university. With this, there's no limit to what the future holds and what we can achieve together as a University of Eldoret to impact the society. Indeed, these are challenging times for higher education in the country and all over the world, especially when COVID-19 struck. We had to refocus, and we still need to refocus and realign our efforts with the niche and ensure that we are able to sustain ourselves. Given our resources and our skills, we have an opportunity to transform lives, to drive innovations, and stimulate creativity and culture. As we focus our efforts to traditional ways of carrying out research, let us also change our priorities and renew efforts of how new technologies can be used to solve societal challenges in order to leave our footprints. All innovators, I take this time to congratulate you. I know your innovations have been assessed. For those who will win, we'll celebrate. For those who will not win, we'll better our innovations next year. For the researchers, again, I take time to appreciate you and acknowledge your efforts. With these many remarks, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to declare this 4th Innovation Week and public lecture officially opened. Thank you all, and you are welcome to the University of Eldoret. Especially those of you in technical colleges, you can still come and pursue your bachelor's, your degrees in this university. It is one of the best universities you can ever be mentored in. Thank you very much.